Let's paint this realistic artichoke while listening to beautiful French music in the background. Outline drawing is done, it is available for download, and this artichoke is a little bit enlarged than the life-size subject. With an elastic eraser, removing the excess amount of graphite from the paper. Now let's take color palette and mix watercolors, adding water, ultramarine blue, lemon yellow, piece of paper to try on, more lemon yellow, a little amount of Alizarin Crimson, which makes green color more earthy, testing, a little bit ultramarine blue. For the second mix, ultramarine blue, permanent rose. Third mix, ultramarine blue, lemon yellow, a little bit more of lemon yellow, and alizarin crimson. Manganese violet, adding to violet mix as well. Permanent rose, lemon yellow, and another mix, ultramarine blue, lemon yellow, more lemon yellow. We'll be using also Perylene Violet, starting with applying water to first leaf, and we'll be painting one section at a time, every single leaf painted separately. Looking at the reference picture and placing green mix where we see green color and violet mix where we see violet color. Don't over mix them together. Painting two colors in one area can be sometimes tricky. It's all a matter of not over mixing colors. Carefully adding violet slowly, careful with the edges. Working while the surface is wet. I don't have too much water, nothing is flowing by itself. It's just enough that I can move my watercolors with the brush and control where they are. And as you can see, I'm not over mixing violet with green. Carefully spreading them into each other with just few brush strokes, and that's it. Adding a little bit more to the darker area, and first layers are really transparent. We just building beautiful background color. We can always paint darker, we can always add extra layer of watercolors, so it's always better to start lightly, establishing colors, establishing lights and darks, and it's all about layering. Details are almost painted. One of the last thing, what we see first, what catches our attention in the subject is almost always painted last with watercolors. First, we're building nice background color on which we will build details and beautiful Now at the finishing stage, I'm adding more contrast, more details. Now it's all about comparing my painting to the reference and noticing some changes in some marks, spots, shadow areas, and building that contrast, building extra layer, and giving last realistic and detailed touches to this artichoke painting. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching and painting with me. Hope you learned something new, and see you in my next tutorials. Bye bye.